Why anyone with a migraine should drink grape juice. These are the results. Migraines can cause a severe pain that can last for hours or even days. In some cases, migraines can even lead to vomiting, nausea, and sensitivity to light and sound. Diarrhea, constipation, food cravings, moodiness, depression, and stiff neck are some of the signs that indicate that a migraine is approaching. It is worth mentioning that even the foods you eat or drink such as red wine can contribute to a migraine. If you are having a migraine, visit your doctor and find out more about the root cause of your migraine and what you can do about it. Chemical and natural causes. According to the Mayo Clinic, most people who have migraines have an imbalance of the chemicals in the brain. To be more specific, they have low levels of serotonin, which leads to severe pain. Other causes include nutritional deficiencies, chocolate, caffeine, alcohol, message, aged cheese, and stress. A migraine can be also triggered by air pressure due to weather. Nutritional causes. Not having regular meals means that you are missing out the nutrients you need to keep your body balanced. When talking about migraines, there is a close link between deficiency of riboflavin and or B12 in the body. According to some studies, the regular intake of riboflavin will reduce migraines by 50%. Why grape juice works against migraines. Grape juice is one of the best natural methods to relieve your pain and prevent migraines in the first place. Grapes are packed with riboflavin and vitamin B12, both of which can relieve and prevent migraines. You should not buy regular grape juice from the store because it often had added sugar and you will miss the riboflavin containing seeds. So, always opt for organic grape juice. In this way, you will reap its maximum benefits. Quick homemade grape guide. You should eliminate the organic grapes from their stems. Wash the grapes and puree them in a blender. Cook them in a pot for 10 minutes on medium heat. Strain the pot into a glass or other container through a cheesecloth or sieve. If you use the cheesecloth, make sure to fold it over the pot 2 times before pouring the juice. Eliminate the strainer and leftover grapes. Store the grape juice in the fridge. Enjoy your incredible homemade grape juice.